Hey everyone, if you're using a Mac and you open a browser or any app in full screen mode, you've probably noticed that the menu bar at the top disappears. It only reappears when you move your cursor to the top of the screen, and then it hides again when you move away. That can be pretty frustrating, right? So here's how to keep the menu bar visible at all times, even when you're in full screen. First, minimize the app you're using. Then open System Settings. You can either click it from the dock or click the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, look at the sidebar and click on Control Center. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Menu Bar Only. Look for the setting that says Automatically Hide and Show the Menu Bar. By default, it's set to In Full Screen Only. Click on the drop-down and change it to Never. Now go back to your app or browser and enter full screen mode again. This time, you'll notice the menu bar stays visible. No need to hover to make it appear anymore. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the disappearing menu bar issue on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.